how to make a logo with Looka AI. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional logo using Looka's AI logo maker. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open any browser and go to looka.com. You'll find the link in the description below to try it out. You will get amazing discounts if you follow the given link below. Once the page loads, now enter your business or brand name in the text box. For example, type in Jag Tech and click on the Get Started. Next, you'll be asked to choose your industry. Go ahead and pick the one that best represents your business. For example, I am going for the YouTube channel. After that, Looka will ask you to pick some logo styles you like. You can select up to 5 from the samples shown. These help the AI understand your taste. Now, choose up to 3 colors that fit your brand vibe. Just tap on the ones you like and continue. After that, again, write your company name. You can also add the slogan if you have any. I am leaving it blank as I don't have any. You'll also be asked to select some symbol types, or you can just skip it. Once all that's done, Looka's AI will start generating logos based on your input. Just wait a few seconds. You'll now see a variety of logo designs. Scroll through and tap and pick any logo to preview and customize it. You can adjust the font, icon, layout, and colors right from your mobile or desktop. It's super easy. When you're happy with your design, click download to get your logo files. That's all for the video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which logo style you like best.